like taking a walk in nature or maybe hiking up a hill and you're thinking, are there any places in Flagstaff where I can walk or hike where it's not so hilly? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of those spots. Me and my dog Frisco back there. So join us now. Hello, my name is Katanya Hartwell with Village Land Shop and LiveTheFlagstaffLife.com. I'm a local realtor serving Flagstaff and surrounding areas. Today I am taking you on a tour of a couple of spots you can go hiking where it's not very hilly. And this one is on Lone Tree and Brannan. I'm right here on the corner. This is east of NAU campus and south of downtown Flagstaff. So some of the neighborhoods nearby are the South Side neighborhood, or Brannan also it's called, and also Rio Homes and High Knoll, that's the other one right here. Behind me is the beginning of Sinclair Wash. There's a little bridge and you have to come up from there to cross over the street to get to the other side of Lone Tree to continue on the path. There's some parking right as you turn onto South Brannan. And I'm gonna go get Frisco and we'll head out. Hey buddy. All right, let's go. Again, that's Sinclair Wash. And here we have the urban trail system and some directions on social distancing. And there's another dog coming up. We'll see how Frisco does. I have another dog, Buttercup. She goes completely bonkers when there's another dog. Looks like this person's dog. He's a little uncomfortable with dogs too. So far we've passed two dogs, no bicycles, but a lot of times there's bicycles on this path too. Just a little ways in, you'll see this on the left, there's this rock with the labyrinth picture and the little trail that goes up to a labyrinth. I actually have not been up there, but I'm not going to go today. I'll have to do that another day. Here we go. There's a little bridge here. And then Sinclair Wash continues on the left-hand side. So up this hill is a gazebo. So that gazebo up there is part of an organization that does classes for the community. There's a sign for that little gazebo spot I showed you at Willow Bend Center. And a trail to walk up to it. A lot more water in Sinclair Wash than usual. That time of year, we just had some snow and rain this morning. this big open area in the summertime, and the spring is super green and lots of wildlife, birds and such come here. This is a marshy area and it stays pretty marshy all year. Just the wash where the stream of water is, that will dry up. This here is a trail that goes up to the Rio Homes townhomes area. Highway you see there is I-40. We're gonna go underneath that. So this here is a man-made pond, and behind me, wow, that sun is bright, is the continuation of the Arizona Trail. If you keep going and veer to the left on this path, then you can hike over to or bike over to Little America. This is where I'm going to stop for now for this trail. My second trail for this video is the Pipeline Trail, and there is kind of this side trail that goes up to the Pipeline Trail, which is at the base of Mount Eldon, off of the street Andes, right by the Trinity Heights up on 4th Street. So it's kind of on the east side, but it's more north up towards Mount Eldon. And this is the beginning of this trail that's right by the street. It's also a pretty easy trail. I would say there's a few more ups and downs than the previous one, but it's easy to get to and fun to walk at the base of the mountain. So you can see behind me there's a church, the Trinity Heights, and there's some parking there. If they're not having any activities, you can park there, I'm sure. There's also some parking along the street. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and click on the bell to receive notifications of future content after you subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.